How to enable virtualization (VT) on Dell laptop and computer. BlueStacks error, virtualization disabled. Enable hardware virtualization. I can help you with enabling virtualization technology (VT) on your Dell laptop to run BlueStacks. Here's how. Enabling VT on Dell laptop. Restart your Dell laptop. Press the specific key to enter BIOS setup during startup. This key is typically F2 for Dell consumer desktops, but it can vary depending on your model. It might also be F2 or ESC. You'll see a message on the boot screen indicating the key to press. Navigate to the Virtualization or Intel Virtualization Technology option in the BIOS settings. This option may be located under different menus depending on your laptop model. Enable the virtualization option by selecting it and changing the setting to Enabled. Save your changes and exit the BIOS settings. Your Dell laptop should now have virtualization (VT) enabled. Your Dell laptop will restart with the new BIOS settings, and VT should now be enabled.